If you want to hold components 90 degrees to each other, there's no better solution than the Bessey WS3 angle clamp with its soft composite 2K handle. The smart design of the angle clamp allows you to do butt joints, miter joints, and it even holds dowels securely while the glue sets. And if you need to clamp components that are of different thicknesses and different heights, it's not an issue as the clamp will automatically adjust. The clamp features die-cast jaws which are coated to make sure that you don't mar your work. And its open design securely holds the components while you drive in dowels, screws, or even staples. A pair of table mount clamps securely holds the angle clamp to your workbench, making sure it doesn't slip around as you do your fastening. And in a pinch, it can act as a vise holding a piece as you do your work. The WS3 also shines in cabinet making as you can keep components perpendicular to each other, such as the case between shelves and a cabinet side. While this angle clamp from Bessey is not your everyday clamp, its versatility and its adjustability, along with its many clamping options, make sure that it's one clamp I'm happy to have in my shop.